Mr. Sean Acuna. A round of applause for everybody.
But I wanna say thank you from the bottom of my heart to my previous employer. I love them. They're the part of my journey here in Canada. Thank you for spending time with us. And then to everyone and friends, my daughter's friends, to our suppliers, Sir Patrick, the DJ, the Doms, our MC, our photo booth. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
White shirt, now red my blood, you know I'm sleeping. Yeah, on your tip, so scraping around like no one knows. Thank you, so criminal. Pushes on both my knees for you. Say thank you, or at least I do. I want when I'm wanting to. So
it is my great honor to introduce the young woman of the hour. She's graceful, she's kind, and fierce. And tonight, Francesca Ina Dua. As tradition goes, we have 18 gentlemen that will offer 18 some lovely message, words of encouragement. Once again, can we give a round of applause for our first girls?
Ilang patita kasi akin na to.
Di mo muli daw. Ang nanay, naka-yellow rose.
So every step of life has marked and defined her. Let's give a round of applause for Mr. Sean Abrin.
Sakay punta! Sakay punta! May ano sila? Sound sila. Aww. Intermission.
You seem so strong. I don't know you safe and wrong. This one between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you
Be my heart.
yes, you'll be my heart. From this day on, now and forever.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for our newly debutant.
And have been enjoying our adventures together, our crazy things together. Now that you're 18, we will always love you. And I'm so proud to be your ama. And I'm so proud to have a beautiful daughter like you inside me. Thank you so much, and I love you.
And everybody.
Fellow diamonds, though we're standing side by side, there's a shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive.
What would you like to say something?
Happy birthday, baby girls. Italila is always here, okay?
Yes.
Turn your dreams into reality. So I wish you good luck and to the great futures and adventures of your life. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Afi. Happiest birthday.
Demonyo! Do you want to say something? Yes.
Naiiyak ako.
Nahiya ka pa dun, ha?
Naiiyak siya.
Naiiyak. Okay.
Amelia, happy birthday. Ano ba? May your day be filled with love and happiness today. Enjoy your being an adult and God bless you. That's all.
Thank you so much.
Proud of you. Your mom is so proud of you, and you just look like your mom. You're beautiful. Oh, good.
For a tradition, she is also going to feed her mom with a piece of cake. So let's make this event even more sweeter, ladies and gentlemen. And then everybody is going to have a slice or a piece of a cake for dessert. There you have it. Let's give them a round of applause, please, everybody. And then table number 8, let's take over the table. Number 8, Johnny.
Anong tuhaw? Ubos na? Ubos na? Gareklamo. Reklamo kay mo kay Mayor. Kay Mayor, reklamo kay Mayor.
Very demure. Wow. Very classy.
Mayor. Ate tambay. Tambay.
Always remember me. 2 for 1 when I'm mad. 2 for 1 when I'm nagging. 2 for 1 when I say, you have to learn this, learn that, learn everything. 2 for 1 for everything. If you wonder, 2 for 1 means I love you too much and forever and wants me as forever. Bakit ko talaga umiyak? I'm so ugly right now, crying. But guys, just bear with me now. This is my moment. Sorry for not being a perfect mom. Sipag ko! Sorry for not being a perfect mom, but I'm doing my very best to be a good one. Happy birthday, my dear. And I love you so much. We can get through this. All the pain that we're feeling right now that your sister is not here. I know. Hindi pa rin ako gaganda sa tissue. Okay. But we can go to with this. Your Appa, me, Ashrey. You know, God is with us. We know the truth. And then everyone who loves you, look at them. And then I'm thanking for you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for loving us. Being with you guys, being you here with us, celebrating with us is like we're so blessed. Love you. Love you. Okay.
Unboxing.
Hello, Afi. Happy 18th birthday. I can't believe it's been almost 3 years since we met. From the very first day, you've been the most amazing.
Amelia, etong birthday ka na, no? Lady ka na. Mangin, respectful lang sa mga pamilya. Agod nga padayon ka man, bless with Lord. Thank you, and happy birthday again.
But none of this would have been possible without the people who love me most. To my dearest mom and papa, thank you for everything, for your endless sacrifices, support, and unconditional love. You've given me the strength to become the person I am today. You've worked so hard just to make this day beautiful and memorable, and for that, I will always be grateful. I love you both more than words can ever express.
Yeah, she know that she my ride or die. So all you haters thinking you could try like, 'cause I'm down for whatever we should fly inside. Damn, I'm man one, damn, I'm man one. Yeah, we always be down for life.
Okay. Hold on, DJ. We're gonna do it together, everybody, okay?
Just don't think you'd understand. If you tell my heart, maybe.